In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new field in Asana. Custom fields in Asana help you capture the exact details your team needs, beyond the standard assignee, due date, and status. Think of them as tailored labels or data points you can add to every task in a project, so you can sort, filter, and report with more precision. Let's walk through creating one from scratch. Start by heading to Asana and logging in. On the sign-in page, choose Continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to get in, and it keeps your access tied to your existing account. When the Google prompt appears, select your Google account to proceed. As a reminder, keep your login details private and only sign in on trusted devices. Once you're in, open the project where you want the new field to live. This ensures the field is created right where your team is working. In the project header, click Customize. This panel is where Asana stores all your project level controls, including rules, forms, and fields. Inside the Customize panel, choose Fields. Fields are listed here so you can manage what shows up on your task pane and in list or board views. Next, click Add to start adding a new field to the project. From the menu that appears, choose Create New. This tells Asana you want a brand new field, not one reused from elsewhere. Give your field a clear, concise name. Make it descriptive enough that anyone on your team can understand what belongs there at a glance. Short labels often work best, and you can describe further in task descriptions if needed. Then open the Field Type dropdown. Here you'll choose the type of data your field will hold. Select the field type that fits your need. If you pick single select or multi-select, be sure to add the options your team will choose from. Keep option names simple and mutually exclusive to avoid confusion. For example, if you're tracking priority, options like high, medium, and low keep decisions quick and consistent. If you're tracking a number field is ideal. For dates, use a date field, and for yes or no items, a checkbox keeps things clean. When everything looks good, click Create Field. Your new field is now active on the project and available on each task. You can start filling it in right away and use it to filter or sort your task list for better visibility. And that's it. You've created a new field in Asana, making your project more structured and easier to manage. If you ever need to fine-tune it, return to Customize and adjust the field's settings to keep your workflow aligned with your team's needs.